Good morning, Jai Jinendra to all of you. Welcome back to Vardhaman e-learning classes. Hello student, how are you? I hope all of you fine at your home. So in last class we learned about mean by assume mean method and step deviation method and the mod for ungrouped frequency. Today we start mod for grouped frequency. Okay? So class, in the mod for group frequency, there is a one formula that is mod is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula of mod L plus F1 minus F0 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now we check out L is lower limit of model class, F1 is frequency of model class, F2 is succeeding frequency of model class, F0 is preceding frequency of model class, and H is class size. So this is the abbreviation of L, that is the lower limit of model class, F1 frequency of model class, F2 succeeding frequency of model class, that means F1 के just नीचे वाली, F0 preceding frequency of model class, that means F1 के ऊपर वाली, and H is the class size. Okay, so now in mind, that is the what is the model class. So in the question we have check out that which one, which class have highest frequency, that class will be our model class. Okay, now take one example that is like that. There is in question class 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60, and the frequency will 10, 15, 12, 22, 27 and 9. Okay, now we check out which one is the highest frequency, that is the 27. So our model class will be 40 to 50. This one is our model class. Okay, now model class frequency becomes F1, preceding frequency of F1, that is the F0, and succeeding frequency of F1, that is the F2. So हमें क्वेश्चन में सब कुछ दे रखा है, मॉडल क्लास पता चल गई, F0, F1, F2 पता चल गया, H is the class interval is 10, that's why H equals to 10, and the L is the lower limit of model class, this one is the L. All values पता चल गई, सारी values इस फॉर्मूले में क्या करनी है, पुट करनी है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल L 40, F1 27, F0 22 upon 2 into F1, 2 into 27, F0 that is the 22 and F2 that is 9 and multiply by 10. Okay, then simple calculation, 40 plus 5, 27 2s are 54, minus plus, that is the 29 into 10. Okay, Calculate this. 40 plus 5 into 10 50 upon minus this 25. Take LCM, that is the 25. 1000 plus 50, that is the 1050 upon 25. 4 times 100, then remainder 42. That means mod will be 42. So the mod will be the 42. Very simple question. Take all values from the question and put in the formula and solve the mathematical calculation by your expertise hand. Then calculate the mod. Very easy question, because this type of question in board exam will be 6 mark, and 6 mark very important to according to the board point of view. Now we move on our next topic, that is median. Median is middle value of data. Median is middle value of data. Now there is the, for ungrouped frequency there is two types of median, for even number and for odd number, that you learn in 9th class. Okay, so first that is the odd number, and that one is even number. Now for odd number there is the formula n plus 1 2 term, and the even number n upon 2 plus n upon 2 plus 1 and divide by 2. There is the n is number of term, n is number of terms. Okay, so odd number n plus 1 divided by 2th term, and even number n upon 2th plus n upon 2 plus 1 whole divided by 2, and there is the n is number of terms. Let's take an example like that. There is 2 5 1 3 4 7 6 8. There is the number, arrange these all, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Arrange these all in ascending order. Okay, ascending order arrange करने, there is the n, there is n is the 8, that is the even number. So take even number formula, median is equals to n upon 2 plus n upon 2 plus 1 divided by 2. Then n is 8, 8 upon 2 plus 8 upon 2 plus 1 divided by 2. That is the 4th term. 4 plus 1, that is the 5th term divided by 2. अब यहाँ ध्यान रखने की चीज ये होती है कि काफी स्टूडेंट 4 plus 5 ऐड कर देते हैं 9, 9 डिवाइड बाई 2 4.5 आंसर लिख के आ जाते हैं. नहीं, आपको 4th टर्म और 5th टर्म कंसीडर करनी है. 4th और 5th टर्म यहाँ से आएगी 1 2 3 4, 4th टर्म एंड 5th टर्म 4 5. बाई चांस यहाँ पे 4th एंड 5th टर्म क्या आई है, 4 और 5 ही आई है. अदरवाइज डेटा कुछ भी हो सकता है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग जो वैल्यू आएगी वो यूज करनी है. आप इनको ऐड करके नहीं आओगे. That is 4.5. So median will be 4.5 for this type of data in which number of terms is even number. Now we consider the number of term is odd number. Take this type of data. मैंने यहाँ से 8 हटा दिया, तो there is the number of term will be 7. Then n will be 7. That is the odd number. So in case when odd number come, then formula will be n plus 1 divided by 2 term, and there is the 7 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 8 divided by 2, that is the 4th term. 4th term of data. There is the 4th term will be 1 2 3 and 4. So median will be 4. Median will be 4. Okay. So even term और टर्म के लिए आपको मीडियन समझ में आया. वेरी सिंपल. ये 9th क्लास में आप पढ़ के आए. नाउ मूव ऑन टू when data given in type of x and f form like that 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. Frequency will be 2, 5, 7, 1, 4, 3, 5. Like that there is a frequency. If this type of question given and we have to find the median, then how we find out the median? So this type of question, first we find out the CF. CF, that means cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means modification of frequency. Like that, how to find CF? First take 2 as a 2. From frequency first data as it is take. After this 2 plus 5, that is the 7. Then 7 plus 7, that is 14. Then 14 plus 1, that is 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 3, 22. And 22 plus 5, 27. And when you add the frequency, this one also 27. Again repeat कर रहा हूँ. First frequency as it is take कर लो. Then 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 3, 22. And 22 plus 5, 27. This will become our n. This will become n. Now we find out n upon 2. That is the 27 upon 2. That is 13.5. 27 upon 2 divided by 2, that becomes 13.5. And we check which one is 13.5, just more CF. Just more CF of 13.5. That is the 14. 13.5 से just बड़ी CF कौन सी है वो हम चेक करेंगे. That is 14. And 14 data, that is 15. So median will be 15. So median will be 15. क्या करना है आपको? CF निकालनी है. CF का जो लास्ट टर्म होगा वो क्या हो जाएगा? n. n डिवाइड बाय 2. 27 डिवाइड बाय 2. 13.5. 13.5 से जस्ट बड़ी CF आपको यूज करनी है. वो जो होगी उसका पर्टिकुलर डेटा x जो होगा वो आपका क्या बनेगा? मीडियन बनेगा. अंडरस्टैंड? कोई डाउट ना? चलिए, लास्ट एंड फाइनल टॉपिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, that is median for particular grouped frequency. Like that, there is the class 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. There is the frequency 5, 7, 2, 3, 1, 8. Okay, we have to find median, but there is the median formula is L plus n upon 2 minus C upon F into H. There is the median formula is L plus n upon 2 minus C upon F into H. अब n upon 2, that means we have to find first CF. We have to find first CF. 5, 12, 14, 17, 18 and the 26. Okay, so n will be 26. Then n upon 2, 26 divided by 2, that is 13. So 13 से just बड़ी CF, that is the 14. 13 से just बड़ी CF, that is the 14. So 20 and 30 will become our median class. Median class will become 20 to 30. 20 to 30. अब बात करते हैं कि अपने इन सब का वैल्यू कहां से आएगी। एल इज द लोअर लिमिट ऑफ मीडियन क्लास, n/2 हमने फाइंड आउट किया। सी जो होगा वो पर्टिकुलर जो CF हमने मीडियन क्लास है उससे जस्ट पहले वाली CF, उससे जस्ट पहले वाली मतलब जो मीडियन क्लास है उससे पहले वाली CF, दैट मींस 12। F पर्टिकुलर उस मीडियन क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी, मीडियन क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी। तो ये तो बना अपना F, ये बना अपना C, ये बना अपना L एंड H विल बी क्लास इंटरवल। क्लास इंटरवल मतलब बीच का गैप, साइज। तो सारी वैल्यूज आ गई अपने पास। अब सारी वैल्यूज इसमें क्या करते हैं, पुट करते हैं। There is the L is 20, n/2 13, C कितना है 12, F कितना अपने पास 2 एंड H कितना है 10। 20 plus 1/2 into 10, 5, that means 25. So median will be 25. Okay, so in this type of question first we have to find CF, then find n/2। n/2 से जस्ट बड़ी जो CF होगी उस पर्टिकुलर क्लास को हम क्या बोलेंगे, मीडियन क्लास। then we find out L is the lower limit of median class, n/2 we also find, C just preceding frequency, cumulative frequency of median class, frequency of median class, and H is class size. So this type of question is a grouped frequency of median class. So student, this chapter will be complete today, and all the exercise you have to done in your notebook completely. If you have any doubt regarding to exercise, regarding to any question, then ask me any time. Okay, and after this I will give you a worksheet of this exercise that you solve in your notebook, that is the practice exercise, practice worksheet, and I will also give answer sheet of this whole chapter exercise. After that we will take a test of this chapter. Okay, so complete your homework and study hard at your home, because this time is very proper time for your study, because there is some burden was very less according to the other subject, and one day one class is going, that's why you take proper time to complete your work and take study, and there is a many long period for your home. So if you have any doubt, and ask me anytime, I will be there for you. So thank you, have a nice day, and stay home, stay safe.